Here I've got LG K8 2018 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then go to display, now select home screen and go to the wallpaper. Here it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from your wallpaper gallery, your own gallery, one from Live Wallpapers or Google Photos, and I will pick Wallpaper Gallery. And as you can see, here we've got plenty of possibilities. So just pick the one that you like most. In my case, it will be, for example, this one, and maybe this one, and then tap on Set Wallpaper. And that's it. As you can see now, your brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen. So let's go back to home screen. And then if you would like to change the picture covering your lock screen, simply open the settings, go to display one more time, select lock screen, and just as previously, go to wallpaper, pick wallpaper gallery or some other if you prefer it, then select the photo, click set wallpaper, and as you can see, now your lock screen is changed as well. Here it is. So that is all. This is how you can change wallpaper in your device in your LG K8. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.